Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ ARMA 2. Start by ensuring you have ARMA 2 combined operations installed, which includes both ARMA 2 and Operation Arrowhead. This is the foundational requirement for the DayZ mod. Next, download the DayZ mod files from a trusted community source. Finally, utilize a dedicated mod launcher, like DayZ Commander or DayZ Launcher, to streamline the installation and keep your game updated. This will save you a lot of time and potential headaches. Once you spawn into the vast world of DayZ, your immediate priority is survival. Quickly search for vital supplies such as food, water, and basic tools like an axe or knife. Avoid exposed areas. Instead, seek refuge in buildings or the cover of dense forests. Remaining hidden from both the infected and other players is crucial for your initial survival. Remember, every decision impacts your longevity in this harsh environment. As you progress, focus on upgrading your gear. Scavenge for more effective weapons, essential medical supplies, and protective clothing to withstand the elements and threats. Take time to learn the expansive map, planning your movements carefully to bypass dangerous, high-traffic areas. Consider teaming up with one or two trusted friends or other survivors. Cooperation can significantly boost your chances of long-term survival against the many perils. For advanced survival, consistently monitor your character's health, hunger, and thirst levels, addressing them promptly. Mastering stealth and maintaining acute situational awareness are paramount to avoiding unnecessary engagements with both the infected and hostile players. Furthermore, invest time in learning various crafting recipes. Being able to create essential items from scavenged materials, like bandages or improvised tools, can be the difference between life and death in the unforgiving world of DayZ.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.